6 vitamins to help repair your leaky gut. Leaky gut is a condition where toxins are leaking into your blood through your gut wall. This often causes inflammation in the intestines, excessive bloating that gets worse throughout the day, and new food sensitivities to things like grains, eggs, or dairy. This means that your gut is probably making too much zonulin, a protein that causes the tight junctions in your intestines to open too much. Instead of just absorbing nutrients and water during digestion, you begin absorbing unwanted bacterial toxins, microbes, and undigested food particles. As these circulate through your blood, your immune system then starts to attack them, causing inflammation in different areas, such as the gut itself, but it could also affect the thyroid gland, the brain, amongst many other organs. In fact, studies have linked gut barrier dysfunction with over 80 autoimmune diseases. A leaky gut usually happens because there is an overgrowth of bacteria in the small intestine, or because a person is consuming too much gluten, alcohol, or ultra-processed foods. In this video, I want to show you how to naturally help repair and reseal that delicate inner lining of your gut, using a mixture of natural supplements, vitamins, foods, and remedies that will help to lower zonulin and also inflammation so the gut may begin to repair itself on its own. You'll also learn about certain food irritants that you want to avoid during the repair process. This information is for educational purposes only, so always speak to a doctor if you suspect digestive problems. One of the most effective remedies is number 1, Zinc L-Carnosine. Zinc L-Carnosine has been used by Japanese doctors since 1994 to help heal different gut problems such as ulcers, inflammation, and leaky gut. This is also available around the world as a nutritional supplement called Pepsin G. It works because the carnosine helps to bind zinc to receptors in your stomach and intestines. The zinc then goes in and helps to heal pockets of damage by restoring the protective mucus barrier inside. It's also been shown to help restore balance to zonulin, the protein that tells the tight junctions in your gut when to open and when to close. This can help to stop toxins from leaking into the bloodstream. Several studies showed improved healing in gastric ulcers, intestinal inflammation, and barrier dysfunction, which is leaky gut. The standard amount is 75 mg of zinc L-carnosine taken twice a day for about 8 to 12 weeks. However, I must stress that taking supplements will not work if you continue to eat foods that irritate the gut lining, and we'll talk more about this later. Remedy number 2 is very important, and it's called glutamine. L-Glutamine is an amino acid that is the main energy source for the cells in your small intestine lining. This is 100% essential for healing or repairing loosened junctions in the intestines. Unfortunately, however, many people don't consume enough animal protein, which is rich in glutamine, especially people who are on a plant-based diet such as vegans. Eating lots of gluten, grains, fiber, and raw vegetables can irritate the gut lining when you aren't getting enough glutamine. However, to help repair your gut, you may want to start eating 1 to 2 servings of grass-fed beef every day. You can also get glutamine from organic chicken, eggs, cod, bone broth, and small amounts of cabbage. If you wish to supplement, 5 grams of glutamine powder can be mixed in water and consumed 3 times per day for stronger repair action. Now, the next nutrient works completely differently. Unlike glutamine, which feeds the cells that help to heal your small intestine, butyrate feeds the cells in your colon in order to heal your large intestine. Normally, butyrate is made by your friendly bacteria when they ferment soluble fiber and starch, but people with a leaky gut often have an overgrowth of bad bacteria that's in the wrong place. So the key is actually to avoid most forms of fiber for the first 3 months when you're healing the gut. Instead, focus on getting more butyrate naturally from real grass-fed cow's butter or ghee, which is clarified butter. Or if you wish to use a more targeted supplement, 500 milligrams of Tributyrin 3 times per day gradually releases butyrate into the intestines to lower gut inflammation and strengthen the mucus barrier. Now, there is also one more supplement that can help target the deeper layers of the gut wall. This is called Collagen Peptides. Bovine collagen peptides powder is naturally rich in type 1 and type 3 collagen. This is the raw material that helps to rebuild the deeper layers of the collagen in your gut. Studies actually show that glycine in collagen peptides helps to reverse leaky gut by regulating the proteins that control your gut barrier, like zonulin, occludin, and claudin. Regular use of these also helps to lower inflammation, especially in different skin conditions related to leaky gut, like acne, psoriasis, eczema, or rosacea, for example. People often use between 15 to 20 grams of hydrolyzed bovine collagen peptides in their morning drink to help repair the intestinal barrier. So at this point, we've covered what are considered to be the best 4 remedies to tighten and repair a leaky gut. However, leaky gut often starts because of an overgrowth of bacteria in the small intestine where it shouldn't be. This is why I also recommend using digestive enzymes. If you often get bloating, gas, constipation, reflux, or diarrhea, you may benefit from using 2 or 3 enzyme capsules which have pancreatin, ox bile, and betaine hydrochloride after each meal. These digestive enzymes help to break down your food into smaller particles in the stomach before it reaches your small intestine. This essentially helps to starve the bad bacteria in your small intestine and gradually restore balance to the whole digestive system. I've also put some links in the video description to my favourite products. Digestive enzymes can be used all year round for digestive support. Now, the final vitamin that usually gets ignored is vitamin A. Retinol is the active form of vitamin A that's found in beef liver, butter, cod liver oil, and organ meats. This nutrient is essential for helping to calm down inflammation, especially in the gut, because it's used by your body to calm overactive immune cells. It has also been shown to increase beneficial bacteria in the large intestine. Eating just 30 to 50 grams of beef liver once a week can give you all the vitamin A you need without requiring any sort of supplement. However, if you don't like the taste of it, try a small spoonful of liver pate twice a week to get a large dose of retinol. Now that you've learned all about the top remedies for leaky gut, it's important that you know what caused it, because if you continue doing the things that damaged it in the first place, it will simply start to reopen. As I mentioned earlier, grains like bread, cereal, or wheat flour that contain gluten and gliadin can trigger zonulin and widen the tight junctions in your gut, making it leaky. Antibiotic drugs and NSAIDs, like using too many painkillers, can also wipe out your friendly bacteria and cause gut inflammation when used too often. Ultra-processed foods are also difficult to digest, and they raise oxidative stress in the intestinal tissues, especially seed oils, which are very unstable sources of omega-6, which can be inflammatory. Alcohol directly weakens the gut barrier by damaging epithelial cells and tight junction proteins. Chronic stress and cortisol can also affect the immune system in this case. Low stomach acid can prevent food from properly digesting, which feeds bad bacteria as it ferments and forms endotoxins that damage the gut wall. And also gut infections like H. pylori, candida overgrowth, or parasites can cause the gut to become more leaky as well. If you really want to repair your leaky gut, it's important to avoid these things that irritate the gut whilst it heals. So now we'll bring this all together with some simple lifestyle tips. 1. Avoid processed foods. Cut out the grains, the vegetable oils, and gluten from your diet, including bread, popcorn, seed oils, biscuits, tortilla, pasta, candy, potato chips, etc. For the first 3 months, I would avoid fiber entirely to starve any bad bacteria in the small intestine. This is called a digestive reset. 2. Glutamine and glycine. Follow a carnivore approach, eating red meat, beef, venison, lamb, chicken, pork, fish, shellfish, and organ meats during the healing process. This will provide enormous amounts of glutamine, glycine, vitamin D, E, and K to reduce inflammation and help repair those tight junctions. 3. Start juicing raw cabbages, drinking between 1 to 2 cups of the liquid per day. Cabbage juice is rich in vitamin U. This helps to heal the inner lining of the gut and the stomach for ulcers and leakages. You may also add collagen or glutamine powder to this juice if you decide to use them. 4. 1 tablespoon of raw honey per day can help to destroy overgrowths of bad microbes in the gut like Candida, SIBO, or H. pylori. 5. Reintroduce fiber. Now, after 3 months, cook a mixture of your favorite vegetables, mash them down, and then place them in the fridge. Start eating 1 tablespoon of this vegetable mash daily to gradually start reintroducing soluble fiber. You may also begin to eat kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented vegetables at this stage to restore the microbiome. And 6 is very important. Throughout this process, try to eat all of your daily calories in an 8-hour window, allowing your body 16 hours to fast. Mixing small amounts of Celtic salt in water throughout the day will help you to prolong your fast and suppress your appetite. Fasting activates the migrating motor complex. This is a cleaning wave that sweeps the small intestine to clear bacteria and reduce bloating. Fasting also triggers autophagy, which helps to lower inflammation, calm down an overactive immune system, and promote faster healing in the gut wall. If you're still unsure if you have a leaky gut, watch the next video that's on the screen now for the most common signs and symptoms. I'd like to thank you so much for watching, and I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.